Welcome back, students. In this session, let us discuss problems on application of sets. Problem. Example 23. If capital X and capital Y are two sets such that, once again question, if capital X and capital Y are two sets such that X union Y has 50 elements, comma, X has 28 elements and Y has 32 elements, how many elements does X intersection Y have? I will read once again. If X and Y, capital X and capital Y are two sets such that X union Y has 50 elements, comma, X has 28 elements and Y has 32 elements, how many elements does X intersection Y have? Clearly they have given number of elements in X union Y, they have given number of elements X union Y is equal to 50. Number X union Y has 50 elements. X has means number of elements in capital X is equal to 28. Number of elements in Y, capital Y is equal to 32. How many elements does X intersection Y have? Means we need to find number of elements in X intersection Y. Example 23. In textbook, example 23 in page number 21. They have given number of elements in X union Y and number of elements in X, number of elements in Y. We need to find number of elements in their intersection. Tell me formula. What is formula? Number of elements in X union Y. Already we know number of elements in A union B. Instead of A and B, in this case X and Y are given. Number of elements in X union Y is equal to formula. Instead of X and Y, instead of A and B, they have given X and Y. Number of elements in X plus number of elements in Y minus number of elements in X intersection Y. This is the formula. Using this formula and simplification, clearly number of elements in X union Y they have given. Just replace it, it will be 50, that's equal to, and number of elements in X also given, that is 28 plus 32 minus number of elements in X intersection Y. This is unknown quantity, we need to find this quantity, number of elements in X intersection Y. Now just rearrangement, 50 that's equal to 28 plus, it is 32. 28 plus 32, clearly it will be 60, 30 plus 30, minus number of elements in X intersection Y. Now take this X intersection, number of elements in X intersection Y into LHS. N of X intersection Y, that's equal to 60 minus 50. send this term into RHS, then n of x intersection y is equal to 10. X intersection y has 10 elements. X intersection y has 10 elements. This is our requirement, number of elements in x intersection y. X intersection y has 10 elements. This is our required answer. Next problem. Next problem. Example 24 in page number 22. In a school there are 20 teachers. In a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. In a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. 20 teachers teach either mathematics or physics. In set theory, the word or is nothing but union. Next problem. Either mathematics or physics. Full point. Of these, 12 teach mathematics and 4 teach both physics and mathematics. How many teach physics? I will take n of m. R means union. M union P is equal to 20 teachers teach mathematics or physics. M means mathematics, P stands for physics, union means R. After that, out of these 20 teachers, 12 teach mathematics. I will take n of m. N of m is equal to 12. Take n of m as number of teachers teach mathematics. And 4 teach both physics and mathematics in sets and means intersection. N of m intersection P, here m stands for mathematics, P stands for physics and m stands for mathematics, and means intersection. 4 teachers teach both mathematics and physics. Next, we need to find number of teachers who teach physics, means n of p we need to find. Our requirement is n of p. First write basic formula. What is formula? Instead of a and b, here we have m and p. N of m union p is equal to n of m plus n of p minus n of m intersection p. Just replace all the values. What they have given? N of m union p. M union p means number of teachers who teach physics or mathematics. R means union. That is given 20. That's equal to, and n of m value is given. N of m stands for number of teachers who teach mathematics. That is 12. N of p, this is our unknown quantity. We need to find number of teachers who teach physics. Minus Number of teachers who teach both physics and mathematics they have given, that is 4. After that, just rearrangement. 20 is equal to 12 minus 4, that is 8. 8 plus n of p. Here we need to find n of p value. Now 20 minus 8 is equal to n of p, that's equal to 12. Means 12 teachers teach physics. Hence 12 teachers teach physics. N of p stands for number of teachers who teach physics. Hence 12 teachers teach physics. These application problems are important. Next problem. Next problem. In a class of 35 students, in a particular class there are 35 students. Example 25 in page number 22. In a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket. 24 like to play cricket and 16 like to play football. Also, each students like to play at least one of these two games. In a class or in a survey, in a group, suppose these words are given, then you conclude it is universal set. And sometimes universal set is same as union. Universal set is same as union because universal set is a bigger set, remaining all the sets are subsets. Like to play, each students like to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play both cricket and football? Both cricket and football means both football and cricket means intersection. I will denote number of students who like to play cricket as n of c. I will take n of c stands for number of students likes to play cricket. 16 like to play football. I will take n of f. N of capital F is equal to 16. And at least one of these two games. At least one of these two games. At least one of these two games means union. N of C union F is equal to 35. We need to find intersection value. Just write the formula. N of C union F is equal to N of C plus N of F minus N of C intersection F. Just replace all the values. union they have given 35, n of C also given 24, n of F 16 minus n of C intersection F. Now just rearrangement, 35 is equal to 40, 24 plus 16 that is 40 minus n of C intersection F. Now just rearrangement, n of C intersection F is equal to 40 minus 35, that's equal to 5. Means 5 students like to play both the games. 5 students like both cricket and football. 5 students, hence 5 students like to play both the games. 5 students like to play both the games. Next problem, that is example 26 in page number 23. In a survey of 400 students in a school, in a survey word is given, then take it as universal set. In a survey, in a bulk, in a group, means it is universal set. In a survey of 400 students in a school, n of u, that's equal to 400. In a survey word is given, then it is universal set. 400 students in a school, 100 were listed as taking apple juice. 100 students out of 400. Total students in a school is 400. It is taken as universal set. Out of 400, 100 students taking apple juice. I will take it as n of a, that's equal to 100. After that, 150 as taking orange juice. 150 students taking orange juice. I will take orange juice as number of students taking orange juice is taken as n of o. N of o is equal to 150. And 75 were listed as taking both apple as well as orange. Both apple as well as orange means intersection. And one more condition they have given, n of a intersection o is equal to 75. 75 were listed as taking both apple as well as, both means and intersection. Find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. This problem is very important for 3 mark. Find how many students were taking neither apple nor orange. Means it is like not A and not B. We need to find not orange juice and means intersection, not O. This we need to find. Already we have formula. A complement intersection B complement, not neither A nor B. or simply it is A complement intersection B complement stands for neither A nor B. Neither A nor B means A complement intersection B complement. In this case we need to find A complement intersection O complement. Instead of B, some other notation O. From De Morgan's law, A complement intersection B complement. From De Morgan's law, A complement intersection B complement is nothing but A union B whole complement, right? From De Morgan's law, A complement intersection B complement is nothing but A union B whole complement. So I will write number of elements in A complement intersection O complement as n as it is number of elements in. This is equivalent to, I will replace A complement intersection O complement as A union O whole complement. Just by using De Morgan's law. This is nothing but neither apple juice nor orange juice. And we know that number of elements in A complement equal to formula. Number of elements in A complement is equal to number of elements in universal set minus number of elements in A. Number of elements in A complement is equal to number of elements in A complement is equal to U minus A. In this case we need number of elements, so take n. Formula is A complement equal to U minus A. In this case we need number of elements, so take number of elements in notation. N of A complement is equal to n of U minus n of A. It is just like number of elements in A. Treat this as one set. A union O is one set. It is like number of elements in A complement. Just apply this formula. Then it will be number of elements in U minus, here A complement is there, so minus n of A. Here instead of A we have A union B, sorry A union O minus n of A union O. Treat this as one set. It is like A. In place of A we have this A complement. Now already n of U value they given 400 minus, but n of A union O they not given. So but we have formula n of A union O formula. N of A plus n of O minus n of A intersection O. N of A union B formula. N of A plus n of B plus n of A intersection, sorry, minus n of A intersection B. After that 400 minus n of A they have given, that is 100, plus n of O also given, that is 150, minus 75 taking both the juice and intersection, that is 75. After that 400 minus 100, that is 250, or else 75 plus 175. 100, 150 minus 75 75 plus 100 is 175, negative sign remains as it is. That's equal to 400 minus 175, that is 225. 225. This is one of the very important 3-mark question. Hence 225 students were taking, hence 225 students were where taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. Neither apple juice nor orange juice. This is one of the very important 3-mark question. Next, example 27 in page number 23. It's also very important 3-mark question. There are 200 individuals. There are in total, means it is universal set. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. 120 had been exposed to the chemical C1. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. In that 120 had been exposed to chemical C1. This skin disorder is because of chemical C1. There were 200 skin disorders. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. Out of 200, 120 because of one of the chemical, that is C1. Skin disorder because of chemical C1. 50 individuals because of chemical C2. And 30 to both the chemicals. 30 individuals suffering from a skin disorder because of both the chemicals C1 and C2. Full point, find the number of individuals exposed to. First question, chemical C1 but not chemical C2. Second question, chemical C2 but not chemical C1. Third question, chemical C1 or chemical C2. There were in a bulk, in a group, there are 200 individuals, means it is universal set. Take it as n of u, it is one bulk. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. Out of 200, 150 because of one of the chemical, that is C1. N of C1, I will take N of C1 is equal to 150. And N of C2 because of chemical 2 is 50. 200 individuals suffering from a skin disorder because of chemical C1 150 and because of chemical C2 50. And 30 in among these, 30 because of both the chemicals. N of C1 intersection C2. Some of the individuals suffering from a skin disorder because of both the chemicals, that is N of C1 intersection C2 is 30. First question is, find the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 but not chemical C2. First question, number of individuals find the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 but not C2, A but not B. Means chemical C1 means C1 but not C2, means C1 minus C2. Chemical C1 but not C2, A but not B. C1 but not C2 means C1 minus C2. That's equal to, what is the formula? Number of elements in A minus B formula. Number of elements in A minus B equal to number of elements in A minus their intersection. So number of elements in C1 minus common elements, that's equal to C1 they have given 150 minus from both the chemicals 30, so it will be 120. 120 because of chemical 1, only chemical 1. A but not B means only A, only chemical 1 is 120. Our required is 120. Number of individuals exposed to number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 but not C2 is 120. Number of individuals exposed to chemical 1 but not chemical 2 is 120. Sorry, it is C1 is 120. Number of individuals exposed to chemical 1 is, sorry, take it as 120. 120 minus 30 means it is 90. Number of individuals exposed to chemical 1 but not chemical 2 is 90. Number of elements in C1, because of chemical 1 is 120 not 150, I took wrongly, so take it as 120. 90 individuals exposed to chemical 1 but not chemical 2. In that second question, chemical 2 but not chemical 1 means only chemical 2. Second question, we need to find number of individuals exposed to chemical 2 but not chemical 1. C2 minus C1 means B minus B but not A, that's equal to formula. Number of elements in C2 minus common elements, number of elements in C1 intersection C2, that's equal to n of C2. N of C2 they have given, that is 50, minus intersection they have given 30, that's equal to 20. Means 20 individuals exposed to chemical 2 but not chemical 1. Number of individuals number of individuals exposed to chemical 2 but not chemical 1, that is chemical C1, is 20. Next, third question, number of individuals exposed to C1 or chemical C1 or chemical C2. Number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 or, the word or is nothing but union, C1 or C2, that's equal to formula, instead of or, union, n of C1 plus n of C2 minus n of C1 intersection C2. It is like a number of elements in A union B only. That's equal to 120 plus 50, 120 plus 50 minus 30, that's equal to, that is 20 and 140. 140 individuals exposed to chemical C1 or chemical C2. 140 individuals exposed to chemical C1 or chemical C2. This is very important 3-mark question. Thank you.